Greetings from the garage. In this installation video I will show you how to install our skid plate on Suzuki DR-Z4. The installation is pretty easy and you can do it at home with basic tools. Before we can install our skid plate, we need to remove this engine cover which holds on 4 bolts, and we remove them by socket wrench size 10. We will lose this top bolt on the holder of the engine. We will need wrench size 12 and socket wrench size 12. We will remove the nut. When we have removed the bolt, we will push the bolt out like this, but we won't remove it. With the skid plate, we will prepare the swing arm protection, M6 self-locking nut, M6 washers and M6 bolts with a flange head. We will also prepare wrench size 10 and Allen key size 4. Take the swing arm protection, place it above 4 holes on the skid plate. Now we will use M6 bolts. When you have all 4 bolts on the place, use the M6 washers. And we will secure the bolts with M6 self-locking nuts. We will tighten the bolts with the nuts with using wrench size 10 and Allen key size 4. The washers should be slightly pushed inside the swing arm protection. Now take 3 silent blocks and install them on these points on the frame. Take this holder. The holder will be mounted that way that this big hole will be on the left side of the bike. We will mount the holder with M8 round head bolts here at the side of the frame. Don't fully tie the holder yet, we'll do it later. Take 3 M6 round head bolts with M6 washers. We'll use them to secure the holder to the silent blocks. You will need Allen key size 4. Take the Allen key size 5 and fully tight the M8 bolts. We will start mounting the skid plate at the rear. To this holder, we will need this special spacer, also 2 M8 flathead bolts with the cab washers. This special spacer will be under these 2 river nuts, like this, and then we will mount the skid plate and secure it with the bolts. Don't fully tie these 2 bolts, we will do it later. To mount the skid plate at the front, we will align the holder with the holes in the skid plate. We will use these hexagon head bolts. Take the wrench size 13 and fully tight these 2 bolts. We will fully tight these bolts at the bottom of the skid plate. We will need Allen key size 5. Last thing what we will do is that we will tight the bolt and the nut which holds the holder at the front. You will need socket wrench size 12 with a joint adapter and extension and wrench size 12. The installation of the skid plate is now complete and I hope you will enjoy it on everyday adventure you will do.